Hello guys, it's been a while and I hope you're doing well. I've been doing well most of the time. I have a tendency of overthinking and stressing over things that doesn't even make any sense, but I am working around that. Last video I talked about how I was struggling with my ability to come up with ideas or just not being very creative at all, and that was overall because I was feeling pressured. But since I walked out of that spot, I've been feeling better. I know that I have things to improve, such as my consistency of posting here on YouTube, but I took a time to convince myself to go out there and try things that I have zero knowledge about. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, and that is the best decision I've ever made. I have an Etsy shop which sometimes I fail horribly to advertise, so here's my chance. If you like handmade stationery, stickers, and wallpapers, go check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description. Yeah, I have been spending most of my time lately trying to improve my small business. I really wanted to add more products and start shipping outside of the US, but somehow I started with my impostor syndrome again. Thoughts like my art is not good enough, or no one would be interested in this, or this is not a good idea, or you don't have any idea at all. Until one day I woke up feeling extra good and I had to Walmart. And I got an inexpensive air dry clay and I brought it home. I had no time to self-sabotage or to convince myself that I was not going to do it because I just did. And I have never touched a clay before. Okay, maybe that's an exaggeration. Maybe when I was little, but definitely not in 20 years. And my thought was, okay, I have this new thing. What do I do with it? I start playing around. I got some tools and I was shaping things. And after a couple of days, I was excited about it. And I could actually do cute little sculptures with it. I have many failed ones, of course, but I accept it as a part of the process, part of not knowing anything about something new or part of being out of my comfort zone. I even bought a bookbinder and started to make small Memopads to sell as well, which is also something new for me. And this all came after I decided that I was going to try things. I guess it can be really daunting when you're trying something new because you have no clue what you're doing. You have no clue if you're gonna love it or hate it, if you're gonna be good or bad at that. And I guess that's the magic of walking out of your comfort zone because you're letting go of all the all of the certainties and just embracing not being in control or not knowing anything or being bad at something, if that makes any sense. The thing is, this clay experiment triggered something in me. I am now excited to do things and I have so many ideas now that I have new skills, and it's amazing, really. I guess I understand now why people say it's so important to try different mediums of art, maybe learning a new craft or exploring. I think creativity comes once you have new data in your brain, if you could say that. So now I made a promise to myself that I will be making small sculptures and adding to my shop, getting over the fear of learning or being rejected. So these days I've been doing clay, designing cute fall, Halloween themed characters, and every day has been so exciting to wake up and work. I am still not very comfortable while I do clay because everything gets so messy and my hands get so dirty to touch the camera. But I'll make sure to record for maybe a next update on this crazy yet exciting journey. Anyway, I've been yapping all this time. I really just wanted to share this experience with you and maybe give you a little push to also go out there and explore things. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, you're doing great on your own way. Okay, so I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. So stay creative. Bye.